everyone, it is collab time again with the group Beauty Over 40, and I have shipped one eye and I have put the eye primer on. This is what it looks like. When it's complete, it will look like this. So I'll do a little to show you what I did. I already traced the lines that I want to. Now I'm just taking my eye primer, my white base eye primer by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to fill in all the sections that I traced already. The group Beauty Over 40, if you would like to join in the collabs, which is done once a month, the last Tuesday of every month, you can DM LRH Makeup on Instagram and let her know that you are interested in joining the collab. We are working with the Pantone Color. Today's collab is about the Pantone Color of 2023. If you notice, I started with this brush, which is bigger, and then I take a small brush, a pencil brush. I'm using a smaller pencil brush to do the outer corner because I don't want to go outside of the line that I've already traced. And that little pencil brush, you can use it any part of your eye, especially small areas. So now I'll be working with these eyes to create a Pantone Color look. Stay tuned if you want to see what this eye look is going to look like. These are the two colors I'm using today. The Beauty Over 40 collab group, we are doing a Pantone Color of the year. And the Pantone Color for 2023 is Viva Magenta. And also we are incorporating Valentine's Day in here also. So I'm using the red in the outer corner, and I'll use the magenta on the rest of the eyes. I am using a small flat brush because I'm trying to stay in the line. The ladies' information that are taking part in today's collab will be in my description box. Please go by and visit them and show them a little bit of support. We always appreciate it when you stop by and support us and leave a comment. As you can see, because of my hooded eyes, I have creases, so I have to smooth my base again. Now I'm going to use the magenta. The red is a matte color, the magenta is a shimmer color. Magenta vibrates with a vim and a vigor. Pantone Color for 2023 vibrates with vim and vigor. Magenta is a shade rooted in nature, and it is descending from the red family. Magenta is a new signal of strength. Magenta, Pantone Color for 2023, red representing Valentine's because magenta is a part of the red family. Viva Magenta color is powerful and empowering. Maybe that's why when we wear red, we feel so empowered and powerful. Viva Magenta is from the red family. The power of love card is friendliness. Friendliness. You are able to recognize traits in common with another in order to forge love-based connections. Power of love card for today. Friendliness. This is my look for the Group Beauty Over 40 Collab Pantone Color for 2023. All the ladies that are taking part in the Beauty Over 40 Collab in the month of January Pantone Color Collab, the information is in my description box. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying to stay fabulous and live life. Bye.